Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super helpful quick video to any of you trying to find a fuse the relay for the theft deterrent system on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find it. Now guys, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, you'll see where you can get them from, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So for the theft deterrent system guys, let's explain where you can expect to find the fuses and the relays. We will demonstrate on that generation GMC Sierra. By the way guys, 9 out of 10 owners have no idea how many hidden fuse boxes are located in that GMC Sierra guys. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that people told us it saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. We need to first open today the driver door. When you do that guys, on the side of the dash, on the driver's side, that's the first hidden fuse box, is located under that cover. Pry that cover open and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, we need to first start by checking one fuse, and you wonder where that fuse now guys is located, right? Let's zoom in a little bit. Now the layout will be the same, but in 2018 they have a few minor differences, but that fuse, everything will be the same for 2014 through 2018. And we need to check guys fuse number 26. It's that double micro 3-blade fuse right here. Keep some spare ones guys, because those are super hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's a very important fuse that you will need to check. What about a relay? You don't have a relay guys. That's a fuse, that's known as a fuse relay. That's the only thing that you will need to check. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. You cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.